In this tutorial, I'll show you how to work the stitch slip slip knit, which is abbreviated to SSK in knitting language. Slip slip knit decreases the number of stitches you have and will give a left-leaning slant to your piece. Decreasing stitches makes your knitting taper in, so for example, it's used to make the top of a woolly hat smaller. When you reach the point in the instructions where it says SSK, so you might already have knitted a few stitches in this row, insert your right needle into the front of the next stitch and then simply slide it from your left to your right needle. Then do this again with the next stitch. And that's the slip slip part of this stitch done. Then insert your left needle into the front of those two slipped stitches from left to right. Wrap your yarn around the right needle and knit normally, treating those two stitches as one. Then pull your right needle through and slide that stitch off. Here it is again. Insert your right needle into the front of the next stitch and simply slide it from your left to your right needle. And again with the next stitch. So that's the slip slip part done. Then insert your left needle from left to right into the front of those two stitches. Wrap your yarn around the back as if to knit. Then pull it through, treating those two stitches as one, and slide them both off. So you've now decreased the number of stitches you have in your row by 1. And that is how you slip slip knit, otherwise known as SSK.